Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the default font in Microsoft Outlook. First, launch your Outlook application. Once it's open, head over to the File tab, which you'll find in the upper left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, simply click on Options. This action will open a new window, giving you access to all of Outlook's settings and preferences. Now that you're in the Outlook Options window, look to the left-hand side and click on Mail. This will bring up several email-related settings. Next, under the Compose Messages section, you'll see a button labeled Stationery and Fonts. Go ahead and click this button. This action will open the Signatures and Stationery dialog box, where we can begin customizing your email appearance. Within the Signatures and Stationery dialog, you'll see three distinct font buttons. These allow you to set preferences for new emails, replies, and plain text messages separately. Click the Font button for new mail messages first. A new window will appear, letting you select your preferred font, style, size, and color. Choose your settings, then repeat this process for the other two message types to ensure consistency across all your communications. Once you have chosen your desired font, style, size, and color for new messages, replies, and plain text, click OK in each individual font selection window. Then click OK again in the Signatures and Stationery dialog box to confirm those settings. To finalize everything and apply your new default font settings across Microsoft Outlook, click OK one last time in the main Outlook Options window. Your changes are now saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.